Good morning, everybody. Just in case you're wondering where that crypto like super big dump came from, it's because China's central bank says all cryptocurrency related transactions are illegal. Again, this is breaking news from maybe a couple of when was it? 5:27 a.m. today. So maybe this is probably a couple of hours ago, honestly. Um, but this is, I mean, this is if this is actually real, then that's probably not very good. But again, cryptocurrency is just even if it is banned or illegal, I mean, it wouldn't really make all that much of a difference. The real scary thing would be if the U.S. comes out and says, "Yo, cryptocurrency is illegal." That's what would break cryptocurrency overall, I think. And I think if you do see um, the U.S. ever come out with that news, I would more than likely 100% sell everything, every single one of my crypto holdings. I'd probably sell if the U.S. ever says that they're making cryptocurrency related transactions illegal, because not because of like FUD or anything, or because of I think that it's like true or anything can happen. I just think that there would be a massive dump if the U.S. ever released some news like that. So super weird.